Welcome back. In today's class, you will learn how to update and change your password when prompted to do so. Whether it's for an online account, email account, or another service, follow these steps. Step 1. Navigate to account settings. Start by accessing the account settings or security settings of the service or platform where you need to change your password. This may be labeled as account settings, security privacy, or something similar. Look for options related to password management. Step 2. Locate the password change option. Within the account settings, you should find an option to change or update your password. This might be labeled as change password, update password, reset password, or similar. Click on or select this option to proceed. Step 3. Verify your identity. To change your password, you may need to verify your identity. This could involve entering your current password, providing answers to security questions, or confirming your identity through an email or text message verification code. Step 4. Choose a new password. Once your identity is verified, you'll be prompted to enter a new password. Create a strong and unique password that meets any requirements specified by the service, such as minimum length, use of special characters, and avoidance of common words or patterns. Step 5. Confirm the new password. After entering the new password, you will typically need to confirm it by entering it a second time. Make sure the new password matches exactly to ensure accuracy. Step 6. Save changes. Once you've entered and confirmed the new password, look for a Save Changes, Update, or Confirm button to finalize the password change. Click on or select this button to save your new password. Step 7. Log in with the new password. After successfully changing your password, you may be automatically logged out of the account. Log back in using your new password to ensure that it's working properly. Step 8. Update password across devices. If you use the same account on multiple devices, such as smartphones, tablets, or computers, make sure to update the password on each device to maintain access to the account. Step 9. Consider using a password manager. To help manage and generate strong passwords, consider using a reputable password manager. Password managers can securely store your passwords and autofill them when needed, making it easier to maintain strong and unique passwords for each account. We've come to the end of this class. See you in the next class.